Did you know that broccoli leaves constitute about 50% of a broccoli plant? Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Moses, and this is Urban Backyard Container Gardening. If this is your first time visiting, thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you as well. So, up until 2 or 3 years ago, I did not know that broccoli leaves, such as these, are good to eat. So, in today's video, we're going to go ahead and harvest some of my green broccoli leaves and my purple broccoli leaves. Now I'm going to give you some fun facts about them. Let's get started. So we're here at my purple broccoli plants, two in this bed. The broccoli floret only makes up about 15% of the plant, and the rest of the plant is made up of leaves, which account for 50%. So between the two, you can eat approximately 65% of the plant. So here we're going to, this plant has already had the broccoli removed or harvested. So we're going to go ahead and cut some of these purple broccoli leaves. So it looks like I have one broccoli head here to harvest. So we're going to go ahead and get this. If you look at my hand, it's as big as my hand. And we're going to go ahead and cut it like we did the other ones on a 45-degree angle and cut straight through. And we left a little bit of the leaves on, but this is a beautiful broccoli head. And I think in the raised bed over there, we have one also that is starting to come apart a little bit. So that lets me know it may be trying to bolt. So we're going to go ahead and get that also. So we're back at the green broccoli plants, and a few fun facts about them. They are a superfood, just like Swiss chard and kale. Broccoli leaves are rich in vitamins A, C, and K. They also contain essential vitamins such as iron, potassium, thiamine, niacin, and fiber. So they're very, very, very healthy for you. And another fun fact is that they're sweeter tasting and not as bitter as other greens such as collard greens. Now, don't get me wrong, I love myself some collard greens and will continue to eat them, but these are sweeter. They're sweeter than Swiss chard, and they're more tender. Doesn't take as long to cook. So we're going to go ahead and harvest some of these. And when you harvest them, you can smell the sweetness in them, which is kind of interesting. So here are our harvest of broccoli leaves. We have the purple on my left and the green on my right. And as you can see, there's a bunch of them. Now, one of the things that you can do with these is to use them in salads. Um, you can also use them to make chips like you do with kale. You can use them in soups and you can eat them raw. What I do when I process them, just like I do my collard greens, I put them in the sink with water, a little salt, little vinegar, and I process them, clean them, make sure that we get all the dirt and if there's any critters crawling on them or anything like that. And then I roll them up and chiffonade them into strips. And a little bit goes a long way. Now, these are the 3 heads of broccoli that we got. 3 purple heads, and as you can see, they look good. Now, we have some more green heads of broccoli that are still growing. They're not ready to be harvested yet. And I don't think that the cold weather that we're supposed to be getting this week will damage them or anything like that. So we'll come back out at a later date and do a harvest on them. One thing that I neglected to mention, you can also use these as you would spinach when you make salads and omelets as well. So I hope I gave you some food for thought. You have a plant where normally you harvest only 10 to 15% of it in the broccoli head or florets. And you have 50% of the plant that is also edible, but sometimes doesn't go eaten. Sometimes people will use the leaves to feed their rabbits, their chickens, and then sometimes they just let it break down and go back to compost. But you have a lot of food left on the plant besides the broccoli floret itself. I hope you enjoyed the video and you got something out of it. Hope it brought a smile to your face and a little joy to your heart. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment and I will reply. Have you guys had broccoli leaves before? If so, what are some of your favorite recipes? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my videos, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.